Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for a new video. It's a new project pan. It's called Lip-A-Thon project, and this project was created by, I want to make sure I get it right, it's Amy Melissa and Erica Ashley. And what it is you have 6 lip products. You use each lip product 5 times and then you roll in a new lip product. This is so you will use all of your lipsticks. And I want to do that. I want to make sure every one of my lipsticks gets used. So that's why I thought this was a great project. I saw Amy Melissa's video and I was like, yeah, I really want to do that. So I asked them if I could join in. So this is my intro. They update the first week of every month. So this will be short. I'll update again the first week of the month and we'll go from there. Now, what Amy Melissa does is she picks 3 old lipsticks, as in ones she's already been using, and then 3 brand new products. She has a bag full of brand new lipsticks that she hasn't used yet. I don't have near as many lipsticks as these ladies do that are doing this project, but I'm just going to choose the lip products I want to use and just go from there. I'll keep track of what I've used so I won't use it again. So let's go into the ones I have chosen. I have a kind of a range here of price points. So I'm going to start with my least expensive, and that is my hard candy lip oil. I'm just putting this in. This is a given for me. This is easy. I've been using it since I purchased it. I really like this lip oil. So 5 times, and then I will rotate it out. Next, I have a Revlon lipstick. Now mine, the heat here has kind of messed it up, but I want to, let me swatch it. I'm not going to swatch the lip oil because there is no color to it. It looks dark, but there's no color. This one is, let me put the lid on, Champagne on Ice. Champagne on Ice. So I thought that would be pretty. I have a mini, this is a Tarte in Salt Life. This is one of my favorite Tarte colors. Salt Life, right there. So, there we go. Next, I'll just use this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip, and it is in Androgyny. That's what it looks like. Here it is swatched. The dark one. Always want to smell it. There we go. It doesn't have a scent. And then I've got a Wayne Goss gloss. A Wayne Goss gloss. I might have to get the magnifier on this one. It is Hibiscus. Getting old. Hibiscus. We'll see if it has any color to it. Yeah. Shiny. A shiny one. And then last I have a Charlotte Tilbury. This is, I think, the newest Charlotte Tilbury of mine. This is Hot Emily. And there it is. So there is what I am going to be using first go round in my Lip-A-Thon project pan. So if you guys want to do this project, you're more than welcome to do it. I'll put the info down below that what Amy Melissa has in her description box. I'll add that down below for you guys. And links to their channels so you can go and check out their channels. I'd appreciate it. So guys, thank you all for watching. If you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.